Hello Year 1. This video will help you with your maths home learning for Tuesday, 5th of January. Later on this week we're going to be looking at addition, but before we do that we need to learn a little bit about numbers first. Now, another name for numbers is digits, and numbers can be made up of 1 and 2 digits. So let's have a look. So the number 12 has got 2 digits in it, so that's a 2-digit number. And the number 4 only has 1 digit in it, so that's a 1-digit number. The other thing that you need to learn, that 2-digit numbers can be split into tens and ones. And I'm going to show you how to do that today. So let's choose a number and see if we can split it into its tens and ones. So if I get myself a highlighter, and let's see, I'm going to choose the number 14. So if I highlight the number 14, so just a reminder that that's a number we're going to be looking at. If we look at number 14, now if you look at the number on the left, the first number, that always tells you how many tens there are in a number. So if you look at 14, I've got 1 10 in this number, so I'm going to put 1 in the 10 section. Then if I look at the second number on the right, the second number always tells me how many ones I have in this number. So the number 14, I've got 4 ones, so I'm going to put 4 in the 1 section. So number 14 is made up of 1 10 and 4 ones. Let's do a different number. Let's do the number 25. Highlight it first so I know that I'm going to be looking at that number. So 25, if I look at the first number on the left, I have a 2. So this shows me how many tens I have in this number. So in 25 I've got 2 tens, so I'm going to put 2 in my 10 section. And then the next number on the right is the number that tells me how many ones I've got, and in 25 I've got 5 ones, so I'm going to put 5 in the 1 section. So number 25 has 2 tens and 5 ones. Let's have a look at a 1-digit number. Let's say number 3. Okay, so for number 3 it's slightly different because I've got no tens here. I only have 3 ones. 1, 2, 3. So I'm going to put 3 in the 1 section, and because I've got no tens, I'm going to leave that box empty. So hopefully this has showed you how to split numbers into tens and ones. Next, we're going to look at how we can show these numbers using dienes. So I've got some numbers here. Let's start with the first number. I've got the number 6 here. Now remember, because this is a 1-digit number, there's no tens, only ones. So if I look at the number 6, I've got 6 ones here. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to get some of these dienes here to show how 6 looks like if I use dienes. So remember this long stick we used before? Can you remember how many little cubes are used to make up this long stick? Well done if you said 10. So there's always 10 little cubes that are being joined together to make this long stick. Okay, so remember this is always a 10. These little cubes are all ones, okay, and they help you show your ones. So going back to my number, I've got the number 6, so I'm going to need 6 ones. So let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There's 6 here. I'm going to pick up this group of 6 and I'm going to put them under my ones to show what number 6 looks like using dienes. And I don't need any tens because there aren't any in this number. Let's look at another number. I've got the number 16 here. Now with the number 16, the first number shows me how many tens I have. Now with the number 16, I've got 1 10 and I've got 6 ones. So let me do the tens first. I'm going to come down here and get myself one of these sticks. Remember, this is a 10. and I only need one of them because there's only one 10 in number 16. And let's see how many ones I need. I need 6, so let's go down here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, or group of 6 there. We pick those up and put them under the ones. Let me count them all together just to check I've actually got 16. Now I know that this is 10, so I'm not going to count all of those again. I'm just going to put 10 in my head and carry on counting. So that's 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. So I know that I've got a 16 here. So the number 16 has been shown like this using dienes. Okay, that's what number 16 looks like if you use dienes to represent it. Let's try another number. I've got the number 24 here. So if I look at how many 10s and 1s I have in 24, I've got 2 10s and 4 1s. Let's see if we can represent this number using dienes. So I need some 10s. How many do I need? I need 2. So I'm going to get myself 2 10s. That's 1 10, 2 10. So just to count and check. Now because they're 10s, I'm going to count in 10s. So that's 10, 20. So I've got 20 here. Now how many ones do I need? I need 4. So let me get 4 cubes. 1, 2, 3, 4. We've got 4 there. Add those. So I've got 4 ones and 2 10s. Let me just count these and check that I actually do have 24. So that's 10, 20. 21, 22, 23, 24. Brilliant. So that is the number 24 in dienes, and that's how you show it. On your worksheet, you have more boxes like this with numbers, and you need to look at how many 10s and how many 1s there are in your number. And then using a pencil, you will need to draw how many 10s and how many 1s there are in your numbers. Have a go.